Department Civil Engineering, semester 3rd, subject construction material. The engineering material which are used for construction are called construction material. Construction material can be classified in three groups. Number one, solid material such as stone, bricks, timber, iron, etc. Second is cementing material such as lime, cement, etc. Third is protective materials such as paints, varnishes, plaster, etc. The common construction materials are number one, stone, second, bricks and other clay product, third, lime, fourth, cement, fifth, timber, six, paints and varnishes, seven, metals, eight, plastics, nine, insulating materials, 10, asbestos, 11, glass, asphalt, bitumen and tar, 12, aluminium, 13, stainless steel, 14, plaster of Paris, and 15 is fiber sheets. Chapter 2, building stone, natural material of construction which is obtained from rock by suitable method is called a stone. The stone which is used for the construction of engineering structure is known as building stone. The sources of stone. The stones are obtained from rocks. A rock represents a definite portion of Earth's surface. It is not homogeneous. It has no definite chemical composition and shape. Classification of rocks. Rocks are classified in following categories. Number one, geological classification. This classification depends on the mode of formation. These rocks are further divided as igneous rocks, number second, sedimentary rock, and number three is metamorphic rock. Secondly, chemical classification. This classification is based on the chemical constitution of a rock. These rocks are classified into the following types. Number one, siliceous rocks. Number second, argillaceous rocks. And number three, calcareous rocks. The third is according to physical classification. This classification is based on the physical properties of rock and shows the arrangement of different particles forming the mass of rock. These are classified in following three classes. Number one, stratified rock. Number second, unstratified. And number third is foliated rocks. Quality of good building stone. Following characteristics are considered while making selection of good building stone. Number 4, crushing strength. A building stone should have sufficient crushing strength to withstand the load of superstructure. The crushing strength of a good building stone should not less than 100 Newton per mm square. Second, appearance. A good building stone should be of uniform color, free from clay pores. Third, durability. A good building stone must be durable enough to resist effect of weathering agency. It should have fine-grained, compact and crystalline structure. The last is hardness, toughness and resistance to abrasion. The stone to be used in stair, pavement, railway ballast must be sufficient hard, tough and able to resist wear and tear. The coefficient of hardness should not be less than 17 for a stone to be used in road work. Fifth is texture. A good building stone should have a close-grained and compact texture. Sixth, workability. Sixth, workability. Seventh, seasoning. 8, porosity. 9th, specific gravity. And 10th, resistance to fire. Stone curing. The definition of stone curing. The process of taking out stone from natural rock beds is known as quarrying. In case of mining, the operation carried out under the ground at a great depth, but in case of quarrying, operations are carried out at ground level in an exposed condition. Method of curing. Number first, curing with hand tools. Number two, curing with channeling machine. And number three, curing by blasting. General characteristic of stones. The first is marble. Its specific gravity is 2.72. Its water absorption is 1 to 3%. Its crushing strength is from 500 to 600 kg per square centimeter. Uses. It is used for carving and decoration works. Second, it can also use for our ornamental work, floor finishing, tabletop, etc. Granites. Its specific gravity varies from 2.6 to 2.8. Its water absorption is hardly 0.5%. Third, it is fine grained and can take a good polish. Okay. Sandstone. It is common variety of a sedimentary rock. It is physically stratified and chemically siliceous in nature. Most sandstones are composed of quartz and feldspar because these are the most common mineral in the Earth's crust. Characteristics: its specific gravity is 2.3 to 2.4. Its water absorption is 5 to 6%. Its crushing strength is 400 to 650 kg per centimeter square. It can take up to 800 degrees centigrade temperature.